2, 3. Okay, let me just check if it's the right channel because I'm not sure if it is going on the right channel. Oh, it is ready. Okay, fuck it then. Let's go. Uh, Welcome back
Yep.
to Byte Banter, which has changed since last 4 weeks. We kept changing our format, and now this week's format is we
Yeah.
do no work. We just find some content on the internet and we try to replicate it, and we see how well it is, and we make a reel out of it. So based on what we discussed last week, we'll make a timer. So what we will try to do is we'll try to finish this podcast within an hour. So let me just start a timer right now. Timer. Let's
Yep.
go 1 hour. 00. Why can't I type 000001? No, let me make this
No, I think we had to
1 hour
put one and then yep.
start. Okay, so this is an hour long timer. It should make a sound when it's done. I can hear my. Can you say something, Hima?
Hello, hello,
Oh,
hello.
yeah, I
Can
can
you
hear
hear
you
me?
too.
Yeah.
Cool, cool. So we are audible. Everything looks fine. You see my screen. So based on what we discussed last week, we'll be making a reel out of this podcast somehow. Hopefully, it'll come off nicely. So for that, what we're planning to do is for today we found this website which has 10 internet tips and tricks, and we'll try to see how that works out. Oh, and Hima has got a new setup.
No, it's actually worse than the old,
No, it's actually better.
and
At least we don't see a bed now.
you can see the shoe rack behind and so many stuff behind.
Oh, it's fine. Like I honestly feel like the only thing you need is you need to add some decoration behind you, and that's all. Like even for
Yeah,
me,
yeah.
I'm planning to buy some
And you
posters and
see
put it up there.
some light from God. God
Wait,
is sending some signal.
you have a table lamp, right?
Nope,
Oh, okay, okay. Otherwise, next time what you could
it's
just
fine.
turn on the
I
table
will.
lamp. I do that. I don't have
Yeah,
like
like
a ring light kind of stuff. I just put on the table lamp and I use it.
yeah.
Okay, then let's try going
Okay.
right into the tips and tricks. So top 10 internet tips and tricks. Let's see which of these 10 we like and let's make something out of it. Make the browser display full screen. Oh, I kind of already know this. You know this one too, right? Like
Yep.
if
Yep.
I just pressed F11, it goes full screen.
F11. Yeah, F11. Yeah, I know.
F11, it comes and
Hey,
goes.
what happens if you press F5?
It refresh the page, right?
Okay.
Wait, you
Okay,
actually
okay.
asking me? I,
So,
I thought you were trolling.
yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no, no. I'm actually asking. I forgot that it refreshed the page.
Like it's a very common thing, right? People tell streamers to press Control W because it closes the window.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one is check out the browser's hidden password. Hopefully it's coming properly on the stream. Yeah, I guess it should be. Should I make our faces to one side so that nothing cuts off?
That's true. You can make the faces a bit smaller. I think it's too big.
Yep.
Taking the. Yep.
Let's do
Yep. Yep.
this. So this
Yeah,
one
I
we'll
think that
be
is good. That is,
taking the ads here. All right.
yeah. Let's take the ads.
Yeah, they need to pay us to get featured on our channel.
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep going. So the second one is check the passwords, hidden password. I think I've seen some people do this one too. I'm not sure if it actually works though. Right click the password that has
Hidden
already been
passwords.
typed in. Select inspect element. You can notice a code that has to be highlighted. Input type equals password. Click the edit HTML option. Right click. I don't get everything. Let's try it. Where should I go? Let's just should
Yeah, I
we
think this one I have tried before.
should we
But the
try
thing is, this one you need to enter the password first.
should we try it on
Yeah.
emails?
Oh, yeah. We can. Yeah, sure, sure. We can try on it.
Okay, I'll go with my email. Okay, I just leaked my email, but it's fine. This email is
Oh,
this email is already
that's
gone. No
fine.
worries. So let me just do test password. So as you can see, the password is test password out here. And let's go inspect. And then what did it say? Inspect, and then you
Go
can
to that and
click the edit
type
HTML
instead of type,
option
put
with the
text.
right click on the code.
Instead of password, put text in the input type. I think you had to choose that, yeah, and then yeah,
This
type,
one.
put, yeah, that one instead of password, change to text.
Ah, I get your point.
Yeah,
So
it should work. It should work, but there's no point. It is after entering the password.
ah,
Yeah, it
it,
works.
it kind of does have a use, right? Like if you ask somebody to put a password for you and they don't show it to you, they just put it directly inside. And our website has this feature. Like some websites
Yeah.
don't have this thing.
Yeah, yeah,
Ah,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
This is kind of cool. I had seen some people do it before,
Yeah.
but I didn't know exactly
I
what it
have
was.
used it like way back, like I don't know, like 10, 12 years ago. It was
Wait,
just we were searching for ways to hack Facebook
w-
accounts, right? And I found this.
wait, were you one of those guys who used to hack Facebook accounts?
No, not like it's like phishing and stuff, and they have this kind of tutorials how to
Like when I was
get the
small,
passwords and
not
all.
exactly small, but in class 10, since I was interested in IT and stuff, right? People would come to me and be like, "Can you hack Facebook accounts for me?" I was like, "No, you can't do that. It's not that
Yeah,
easy."
even now, that one guy from the TA class, like
Uh-huh.
one kid, he asked me to hack one of his friends' Facebook account. I was like, dude, Facebook is 23rd century, and like
That's
it's
that's wrong
impossible
on
to
so
hack.
many levels. First of all, he's asking his
Yeah,
TA to hack his friend's account.
yeah.
Oh, by the way, this thing. Is this thing actually true? Should I could really use this. Bookmark all open tabs in one go. Sometimes I don't wanna like close my window because there are some
Oh
things
yeah,
open.
yeah, yeah.
Like
That is really useful if it works. Yeah.
uh users typically bookmark one tab at a time, though they can bookmark all. A shortcut key to bookmark a tab is Control D. I did not know this. The shortcut key to bookmark every open tab in the browser Control
Mm,
Shift T. Ah, by pressing Control Shift, a new directory will be automatically created. Or let's try it. So if I just do Control D on this page, it'll bookmark impressions. Cool, makes sense.
mhm.
And if I do Control
Yep.
Shift D here, yep, it made a new folder. So I can just put today's dates like 7/30. And then next time I come here, I can just go to 7:30 and I can go to all the pages. Shit, this is cool actually.
Oh, that is good. Yeah, that's really
Ah,
useful.
we should do this every week. We learn it's stuff. This is actually
Yeah,
interesting.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh
It's
yeah,
good. Yeah.
nice, nice. This one I knew
Control
it.
D, Control Shift.
Yeah, it's Control plus and minus right, for increasing the key. This one I used to do
Yeah,
too.
that one everyone knows. Right? I use it too. I use
Yeah,
it a lot.
I don't think everybody knows it. Like especially
Easily we
people
can.
not in the tech field. Like this kind of stuff, people don't usually
Yeah.
use it. Right? But it's nice. Okay, easily video files from you. They forgot to put the word
Is
download here. L-
it?
let's fix it.
Let's fix it
Let's
through
fix it. Yeah,
inspect
yeah.
element.
Uh, where is it? Easily. That's so for anybody who does not know what inspect element is,
Oh,
do you want to explain
YouTube
what
video download.
that is?
It just shows you like the code for that page,
Mm-hmm. And
but
why does it exist?
for the developing for the developers,
Yep. Okay.
developers can use it for.
And there was a time when we were making impressions one where like everything you do, you would get 1,000 things console.logged here. We have removed
Yeah,
everything now.
especially I think front end developers
Yep.
can like easily find if they want to modify some CSS.
Mm-hmm.
It's easy to find through the Chrome developer tools.
Exactly. Just
If you try to find it in, let's say you downloaded a template and it has like thousands of lines of code in CSS, there's no way that you find through the going
mm-hmm.
through the all the lines.
And
So you have to
just to give
use
someone an example, let's
Inspire.
say you had a border of 90 over here. So if you had to actually
Mhm.
do this every time, you would have to change it in your back. Why can't I change it? Okay, you see
From
this?
there, I don't know.
So
You have to
if I
CSS.
if I
You
had to
can,
do it from backend, like I had to try 80, 70, 60, and I had to keep trying until I get the size right. But from here, I can just play around here directly, and I can see life changes, and this will make it easier for me to develop when I'm working on this stuff.
yeah.
Okay, anyhow, back to this. Okay, easy to download this video. I don't think we need to. Well, let's just do it. This video is the most popular something. They're doing SS YouTube. And I just paste a link. Let's just paste one of our other links.
Mhm.
Uh, okay, I'm not that comfortable showing our dashboard. Let's just go to YouTube from here. What the hell? What?
Right.
Which channel is this?
It's the same name, right?
No, it's mine.
Somebody used the same name.
Ours is Byte Banter. Yeah.
Oh, it's wait.
Ours is Byte
Okay.
Banter YT. I completely forgot about it. Oh, I should have changed the thumbnail.
Yeah.
Uh, let's just download one of our old shorts. Copy link. Let's go here. Paste it
One
here.
of our all only our
Oh,
short.
it's already there, and it gives us multiple options to download it. It also opens some
Oh no,
ad,
ads.
and here we have it. Okay, cool.
Mm.
Uh, actually, what I do is I just do YouTube
You can
MP3. It's easier to find tools
no,
like this, and then
you can
most of this will work.
add some letter in the URL, and there's a way to download. Just need to add
Oh yeah,
some.
yeah. We did that for impressions. I remember.
Yeah.
But for somebody who's just looking for it quickly, I think because people don't usually remember the website names and stuff, right? But you should
Yeah.
remember
People
impressions
usually
server.
just
It's the best website to make thumbnails.
yeah.
All right. So this one is fine. How about number six, Google's coin flip? I knew this one too. We use this, right? Google has a lot of stuff.
We use
Yeah,
this. We
Google
use this.
timer,
And that
stopwatch. Let's go to it.
what was the other one? That not the coin one.
Coin flip.
No, no, no,
They have
no.
a fidget spinner. They have a lot of stuff.
Yeah, the spinner. Yeah, the
Yep.
spinner.
Like this is one. It's all here actually. You have a spinner, a
Mhm.
tuner, and all that stuff.
Mhm.
Also for people who like doing this, there's this thing called name picker. We use this a lot. Wheel of names. So you just come here, you put a lot of names,
Yeah.
and you can spin it, and you can choose random people out of this for games and stuff. That's fun.
Yeah, we use this to do the bet for FIFA World Cup. We chose countries using this, and I got that freaking Netherlands.
We do not promote gambling. This is Hima's own
It's not
experience.
it's not gambling. It's just for like some meal, some simple bets. It's
Hmm.
not
Okay.
like
By the
serious. But
way, let me just go back to our live thing just to see how just see if anybody's chatting. I forgot. Not
yeah,
analyze.
we have to.
Nobody chats though. That's the thing. Like if anybody is complaining that we are not
Eh,
checking, it's because you guys don't
yeah,
chat. So it's hard for us to keep checking the whole time when nobody's chatting. Okay,
yeah.
let's go.
How many viewers
So far zero.
we got? How many chat we got?
So far zero views, zero
You
viewers.
like,
That's
have
fine.
you seen that the speed talk to chat? Right? Is
Mm-hmm.
he talked to the people like a person? Like your chat was so,
Yeah.
it's so cool.
Launch the
Your
Find
chat.
box to look up the text. What is this? Oh, this is just Control F. Come on. Are they really teaching
Yeah,
this?
come on, come on. Why
Doesn't
they even put it here?
if you want to look for a word like test here, it'll find the word test in the whole website for you. And you can just choose whichever one you like.
Yeah, yeah.
Fine. Let's go back to the find it thing.
Basically, it's a web scraper, the internal web
Yeah,
scraper.
I think every student knows this, right? Because when you not even cheat, when you look up for something on PDF files, it's so easy to just Control F and find it.
Everyone knows it, right?
Yeah.
Because it's like the most. I think from the most famous shortcut keys, Control C, Control V. Obviously, many knows at least
Mm-hmm.
90% of people who uses computer knows it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And Control F is also like one of the shortcut key that many people knows. Many
Number
people uses frequently.
number eight is also something that
So
we
this
already did,
F5,
right? We did F5 earlier, like it
F5, yeah.
refreshed, and even Control R does the same
Yeah.
thing. I can try doing F5 again.
Mhm.
So this is refresh, like we did
Yep.
before, and then even if we Control R, it's the same thing. Okay. The only thing it's reloading is the ads, though. It's not reloading the content. Uh, okay.
You
This one
try
also,
to
I've seen this, but I don't exactly know what happens. Have you ever saved a website?
yep, I did. You
What
can save it as a HTML file, right?
what does it do?
It just save, it just save, and when you double click, it opens the website. You can try here.
Okay, I
Just do
clicked Control
Control
S.
S and save,
Let me save in downloads. Save. Oh,
and can
it
you
saves it as
open?
an HTML file. I see it's downloading it right
Yeah,
now.
it says as HTML file,
Mm,
and you can open it, and it will show like the yep, it shows the local one,
I
but
see.
it won't
Yeah,
properly.
because ours is the
Let's see.
React
I'm
app,
not
right?
sure because ours,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
ours React app.
Our HTML is index.html, which is empty. I get it.
Yeah, which is empty. Yeah. So
Makes sense. All right, and I knew this one. I didn't know it was Control L. I used to do something else
quickly select the address
to
bar.
quickly select this so that I don't have to click here every time. I can just click
All right.
Control L.
It's Control L.
Yeah,
I have never
it
tried it.
works. How about Alt D?
Let me
Oh,
try.
Alt D works too.
Control. Oh yeah, Control L. Damn, it's nice. Yeah,
Uh,
it's useful.
I used to do this thing like slash. If you're here, right? If you click on the slash button,
Mhm.
it selects not here. If you select anyway and you click on slash, it doesn't work now. I don't know. There was something which goes here directly. Does Control L work here? Oh yeah,
Yeah.
Control L works here too. Nice.
Control L works in mine. I tried it and it
Yep.
works.
And then since we're already here, let's also do one thing. Where is
Mhm.
tip number 10? Let's select here. Let's add a bonus tip, which is tip number 11. Quickly.
Yeah. Just visit www.impressions.com.
Oh,
You
so it's
don't
saying
have
quickly
to
elevate your
type it
thumbnails
in your browser.
using impression zone. Let's check it out what it does. Okay, so I'm here. Let's sign in. Let's make a new account for this
Yeah.
email. That's fine. Just to
Mhm.
prove that there's nothing rigged. So we come here,
So
we
you got
get 20 free
20
credits.
credits.
That's
That's
nice. Why are we acting like
yep.
we don't know what's gonna
They're
happen?
so generous. They give 20 credits free. See, that's so
Mm-hmm.
generous.
Yep. Okay, so this is gonna cost 2 credits. That's not bad. That means I can make about 10 thumbnails like this. Let's see.
Yeah.
So I need a face for this. Let me just use my face. It's fine. I could have used some other
Mhm.
face, but for now, let me just use my face. It's the picture that I sent for my graduation picture.
That's your graduation picture.
Okay, let's say our
Mm.
YouTube title is graduating from 10 schools at the same time. So for this, I upload this picture, and damn, you already see the difference. I do look a little uh too plasticky, but come on, you can't say that. If you go here, none of this
Yeah.
look like real humans at this point. These are all these kind of AI
That
upscaled
is what
images. Exactly.
that, that
We
is what attracts people, right?
uh-huh.
You need
Eh,
to have
It,
that look to attract people.
it's that
So
weird feeling
I
like
think
something is off, but it looks interesting, which grabs people's attention, right?
I think an attractive thumbnail should have this kind of face.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, it's too simple. I mean, how do you say? It's too boring, right?
Mm-hmm.
If it's
Mm-hmm.
just a normal picture.
Yeah. And then from here, I can just download this picture and edit it in Photoshop, or I could just click on add backgrounds, and
And
I
you
will
can try
be
that
taken to
with
this page, and I get a bunch of templates which I can choose for as my thumbnail, which all do look kind of nice. But if I have my
Mhm.
own background, I can just click here and upload my own stuff. Let's say I generated this the other day. If I upload it, and I should see it there, and then I can
Mhm.
download any one of these three options as my final thumbnail. Or with a new feature that we just added, we can do this. So let's
You
say
can generate your own background.
university, uh, two universities next to each other. Usually we found that having less words give us better results. Oh, this is gonna cost another 2 credits. Okay, fair enough. So 4 credits per image. But we also found that sometimes giving a little details gives good results. So let's see how this does.
Yeah.
It might be completely bullshit, or it could be really good. That's
It
on
all depends on
Stable
the
Diffusion.
prompt.
Don't blame us.
Yeah. Yeah. Mm.
This might take a few seconds because Stable Diffusion's API does fluctuate a little sometimes.
Stable diffusion is slow.
What the hell?
Oh,
This
why
usually
does it
doesn't
happen?
happen, but when it happens, what we can do is just go here, select some background, come back here, and try something else. So
Yeah.
basically, the last prompt failed. This is a small bug that we're trying to fix right now. Let's try to Just give it something simple. Two universities. Okay. In case
Yeah, it should
this happens,
work.
you can just take a screenshot of that page and go to contact us and send us the screenshot, and we'll refund
Directly.
the credits that's been deducted.
Uh, we'll make sure that it won't happen again.
Mm-hmm.
We have to. Mm,
But you guys need to be safe and not try to generate bad kind of images. Oh, you see, it made two
Oh, it's not
universities.
bad.
Yep.
It's not bad.
And then with all of these pictures as an option, I like this one, so I can just download this.
Yeah, because of that. The line,
Mm-hmm.
a line fixed to the right corner, left
And
corner.
this is the
So
final version,
it's good.
which in my opinion is a
Mhm.
good enough thumbnail. Like I can add some text, I can go to Canva. I'm sure all of you know what
Yeah,
Canva is. Let me create a design. Let's just make a thumbnail for this.
yeah.
Where should I
And
go?
now they might wondering why can't they do the whole thing in Canva?
Yes.
So in
So
Canva, yeah.
this makes it a lot easier. You can do this whole thing in Canva, but if you did this whole
No,
thing
you
from
cannot. You can't.
oh yeah,
You
this
can't do
stable
this whole
diffusion
thing in
part.
Canva.
Yep.
Yeah, Canva doesn't have image background generation, and also we do the image upscaling and the background. Canva has background removal, but Canva doesn't have image upscaling. But
Yep.
for text, yeah, use Canva for now. We will add it
Eventually we'll
soon.
add it to our stuff. Oh, Hima,
Our next version.
can you send me a graduate picture? I'll add your picture here too for today's thumbnail.
Okay. Let
So you
me
see, guys, like
send
it's
you
just
in
that
that.
easy to generate thumbnails these days, especially using our tool. I'll agree we still have
Yep.
some flaws, like it's still not perfect, but you gotta give us some slack because we're just two guys working on it. We don't have
Yeah.
funding from anybody. We're just trying to set it up everything on our own, and we will keep getting better slowly. Where are you sending it to me, Him?
Mm.
Line?
I'm still
Okay.
searching for it. Give me
So
1 minute.
we can
It's
also
almost there.
show them the other feature that we have, which is upscale image, which I will do once Hema sends the picture.
Mhm.
We need to upscale and then remove the background. Or let's just do it in design thumbnail so that I can just download it directly from there.
Yep.
Or let me just do it separately so we can show both our things one by one. Or let me also do one thing. While you send me that, let me go to analyze thumbnail and we can analyze our thumbnail. Or let's do it at the end after we have added everything.
Guys, my
We are still
naming
at
is really.
30 minutes.
I should have named my stuff. Well,
Okay,
I
while
regret.
this is happening, we've also made a game loop that we talked about last time. You can keep watching this for a while. It keeps you entertained. This was
Mhm.
me playing like 5 minutes before the stream started, so that I have some footage for
Mhm.
the final edit. Also, do let us know if you guys like this kind of content and would like to see more of it. I know I'm talking to nobody here right now, but eventually I feel like some people might end up watching this. So if you like this kind of
Yep.
content, or the thing is, look at it this way. Right now, it's just the three of us working on stuff, finding the content ourselves, reacting to it. If a lot of you come on board
Mm-hmm.
and you suggest us things to do on stream, it could get more fun. Like I'm sure
Mm-hmm.
you've had
Yeah.
some kind of stuff that you've always wanted to try but didn't do it because you didn't have the time or you didn't know how to do it. You just send it here and we do it for you. And if it's good, then we all
Yep.
can use it.
You can share ideas here.
Mm-hmm.
You can share ideas here.
Did you get it yet?
And now yet, give me one. I haven't opened that picture for like.
Not fine, no worries.
Okay, wait. Uh,
As you can see, we make all of our
where?
thumbnails out here every week. Let's do one thing. Let's meanwhile design the other thumbnail from our last week content, because I realized that our last few weeks didn't have a good thumbnail. I won't say it didn't have a good thumbnail, but definitely was not creative enough. So, okay, reinventing ourselves. Is this the end? Are we alive? These three things need thumbnails. We made until 9, so let's just do this. 10, 11, 12. So 9 stays here. Number 10 is, are we alive? Are we alive? What else was it? Is this the end? Reinventing ourselves.
Mhm.
Is
Oh,
this the end? And then reinventing ourselves. So the images stay the same. Oh, I need to get Hima's image. Hima joined
yep.
us in this stream. Are we alive? I think Hima wasn't there for that stream. Uh, so
Which one?
are we alive?
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah, right.
you were
It
not there.
was only you and.
Yep,
Oh, is it last week?
you were there last week.
Was it last week?
You were not there the week before.
I was there last week. Yeah,
Yep, 10,
week
11.
before it was the with Hong, right?
Yep. Mm, I'm actually confused. Were you there? Let me just check it quickly. You were not there for when
I missed.
Hong was there, and you weren't there after that either. You were not there for. Oh, you were there. Are we alive? You were sitting with me. You were not there.
Oh
Is this
yeah,
the
yeah,
end?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I was sitting with you.
That was the time when I was about to go to the airport. I remember that now.
Mm.
So are we alive? You need to be there. So I pull this thing back. You see, guys, if you have to make a whole thumbnail on you need to do all of this stuff, which is kind of annoying in the long run.
Yeah.
So that is why once we include everything in impressions, it'll be really easy for you to just move stuff around, get whatever you want easily, and make a thumbnail within few clicks. Let me remove this, let me keep that, let me drag this down. You can actually even just take a screenshot from your graduate page and send it to
Yeah, I'm now trying to log into
me.
my. I'm struggling to log in there. What the heck? I forgot the password.
Okay, so since it's reinventing ourselves, let's do one thing. Let's generate some pictures from uh reinventing ourselves. Let's just go to impressions. Let me just show you another example meanwhile.
Okay, what the hell? I changed my password to a weird password. I think. Okay, I found it.
Picture. Oh, you found it? Okay, send
And
that to me then.
so wait. It shows something else. It shows I'm wearing that. Okay, wait, I know. Sorry,
It,
sorry,
it'll look good
sorry.
if you're wearing the graduation gown too, because then our images will match.
Yeah, I can get it. I can get it.
Cool, cool, cool.
Just give me 1 minute. It's almost there.
Cool, no worries, take your time.
Wait, what the hell?
10, 11, 12, 13. Reinventing ourselves. We just need to change the pictures behind us. Is this the end? We change the pictures behind us. Are we alive? Change the pictures behind us. Collaborating, I think that's fine. Branching, pruning, merging, origin control. I have to say that we have some really good thumbnails for this thing. I like all of our thumbnails in this
Yeah.
Byte
Okay.
Banter.
I found it. I'm
Nice.
gonna take a screenshot. Oh my god, I can't believe I lost this actually much.
You should.
It's in my drive.
Oh, okay. How are you sending it to me?
It's in my because line.
Okay.
Oh no,
Mm,
wait. Yeah, I sent you in wait.
okay, I'm in Byte Banter waiting for it. Got it. Save. Okay. Let's go. So, let's do this. Let's go to design thumbnail again. Let's do this. Let's do this.
Mm-hmm.
This will take another 2 credits, which is fine because it's completely for free for
Yeah.
now. We want your feedback. That's what's more valuable for us than money currently. And based on your feedback,
Mm-hmm.
eventually
Yeah.
these things will be worth money, guys. So get on here fast. Explore what it can do. Okay,
Oh.
one more thing we want to talk about is the remove background thing. Currently we are
Yeah.
using the Python library called RamBG, and it's not that good. It has its flaws, but we have to use it right now because of the cost constraint. Eventually, we will be using a better model to do that, and when we do that,
Yep.
you'll get better results. So,
It's all depends on
yep,
the amount of money that we want to
exactly.
spend, right? If we, yeah,
Let me download this image separately, and let me also add a background. So the downloaded image can first of all just go here directly. Nice. Let me make it the same scale. You see, guys, if you were making a thumbnail right now using our tool, you're already done. This is your thumbnail.
yeah, and you don't have to use Canva for this, right? You
Yeah.
can
Okay, Canva
use
is
this
just
image
just
and
just an online tool that you can
yeah,
use. You can use your PowerPoint, you can use Word, you can use whatever the hell you want to use. Like there are no
yeah,
restrictions in this case. And also, I was thinking of flipping the image, but maybe that might look weird. So this is our thumbnail. Let me just download this for now. Uh, Share, download, not all the pages, just the current page. Done, download, and then I go here. How do I do that? I edit, I click on the thumbnail, change, and then I click on this, I open this. And you guys can't say that this is not a good thumbnail, come on. Like,
it is a really good thumbnail.
for the time it took, right? Like, how fast we made it.
Yeah,
Maybe
it is like
uh,
5 minutes. It
less than
took more time for me to find
find the
the
image,
image.
exactly. Uh,
It took.
okay, YouTube is still updating the thumbnail, so we don't have it yet, but you can see it at the end of the stream. Other than
Mhm.
this, what were what were we doing? Okay, so we were redoing these images, right? So over here now I'm gonna show what we can do with our this thing with the generate feature. So you can also use this as your own stable diffusion where you can generate images and download them directly. For example, for this one, RV Alive, I want a picture. Let's just do this. Let's just type RV Alive. I'm not sure what will happen, but let's see. Should be interesting. It might fail, it might not
Mhm.
work, but let's see. That's what we're here to do. Right? Just
Yeah, it's
experiment with different stuff. Okay, so it's inappropriate. So there's one more thing about stable
inappropriate.
diffusion. It does not allow us to put negative prompts such as nudity, pornographic images, or
Right.
death, or anything like this. So
It-
maybe a little more positive where we say our
If it's
instead of
violence and
yep,
yeah, you
because
cannot
think
choose.
of it, right? You're asking an AI model to depict our real life, so it might show some dead people and stuff, which is not a good thing.
That's true. Yeah, which is not a.
So instead of RVA life, let's say sad humans. I'm not sure why. Sorry for that.
I'm excited to see the results for it.
One more thing we are actually working on is the prompt for this. Currently, some of the final images that we get are a little cartoonish or artistic per se. So we're trying to make it more realistic.
Oh, that is
This is
realistic, right?
quite good. So if you just want the background image without the faces, you can just click on generate PG here and it will download the image there for you. And then you can see the quality is really good.
Oh, then
The
damn,
hands are a little
that's
weird,
good.
but that's just AI being weird with hands and nothing we can do.
Yeah.
But let's just get the image here and let's replace this background. So for this one, we don't need any of this or this or this or this. We can just upload this directly and send it to the back layer, send to back. Okay, so our real life thumbnail 10 is done, but is this the end? Okay, for this one let
Mm.
me just make a dead end. As you can see, I'm being quite concise with my prompts. I'm not going that much wordy
Yeah.
because again, this is something that you guys can debate with me. I feel like stable diffusion gives a more realistic looking backgrounds when we just give it simple.
Maybe we should do some comparison later,
Mhm.
concise prompts versus detailed prompts.
Like we said a dead end, but this is not exactly a dead end. But let's just go with it because it looks nice.
Yeah.
Let's remove this. Let's remove this. Let's remove this, and let's remove this. And let's put that in there. And let's send it to the back. Is this the end? It can go in the middle. And then reinventing ourselves. Wait, is this the new one? Oh no, no. Final one is let's just type hope. Hope, heaven, God. Let's see what happens. We are also planning to add this stable diffusion itself as a separate feature here in the upcoming updates, so that you don't have to come to this page to do this every time.
Yeah, you can do it separately.
Yep. Okay, meanwhile, let me just download the other, but it's easier to download everything together. Let's just do it together. Okay, not bad. It does feel very hopeful. I don't see God, but I see hope. Okay, let's put this here. Also, the guys look really good actually. Wait, I want to show you. I like this
It's
picture.
both of yeah,
Do you
like
see the jacket, like quality on the jacket? It's really good.
the details of the jacket is really
Exactly.
good.
Delete, and then put this here. And then we send this to the back layer, send to back, and that is it. And with this, we can just need to download not all the pages, page number 2, 3, 4. That's all. Done. Download. It'll give you a zip file. Again, guys, you guys don't need to do what we are doing. There are 100 other websites that can do this. We just use Canva because we're used to it. And eventually this will come inside impressions, so you wouldn't have to go away either.
Yep. You don't have to use Canva.
Or anything for the matter of fact. Let's go to your videos. Let me open this. Okay. Go to live. Let's edit starting this one. Okay. Thumbnail. Change. This one is RV Live. Okay. I need to unzip that first. Extract all. Extract. Okay, that's done. I close this. I can close this. Here, change Byte Banter thumbnail to, was it 2? No, this was reinventing ourselves. Let me change it. Change, I need to put 4 here. Are we alive? Yep, this seems fine. Save that. And then we go to the next one, which is this. Is this the end? We change again. And we can see somebody behind Hima. Is this the end? Save. Okay, and reinventing ourselves. I really like this thumbnail, but still, let's just change it for now. Oh, let me download this for future. Let's just keep it save image as just something default. Change number 4.
Sorry for that.
No worries. It's
We were deciding whether we should bring the key out or not.
Save. Okay, this is also done. And as you see, we've got a bunch of nice looking thumbnails on this website now.
Yeah,
Let's
the new one is really nice. I like it.
I like it
The
too.
latest one.
It feels like an actual. Oh, you see this? It looks really good, right?
Yeah, it does look pretty good.
Not saying the others don't look good, even the others do look good, but this feels like it has a personal touch to it. The background really does that. And you don't need to worry about any kind of copyright infringement and stuff because it's your images. Everything in this screen is from you, including the background, the faces, and everything. So, yep, this is how impressions work, and that is why you should use it. Okay, and the final thing that we want to show you is you can also analyze your thumbnails here. This is something which kicked off this whole project, but then we pivoted to designing thumbnails as we saw that is something which people are more interested in. But this is still a good feature to have, and it's for free. So you can just put your thumbnail here and you can see what Google has to say about your website thumbnail. So as you can see for this thumbnail, it is not exactly Google ad safe. We'll see why that is. The engagement for the audience is 100%, which is really good. There are no landmarks here, which is not a negative point, but it's something to know. Like if you have a good landmark in your pictures, like if you did this in Stanford University or some big university, it gets clicks because people click it for the university. And if you have some kind of logos, you
Then,
get credibility. Yes.
then you should check the chat.
Which chat?
We have people in the chat.
Oh, who's it? Who's here? Yo, Darshil. He must sway. Bless you, bro. Hello, hello. Do you get sound when someone texts? No, I did not get sounds. Check out who this lol bra buddy in the back. We also have Twitter changed the icon already. Oh, the name is such a stupid name.
Twitter. Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh,
We should
it's
talk about
it's
that.
X now.
Twitter X. Yeah,
Wait, if I saw somewhere if you go x.com it opens Twitter.
yeah.
X.com. But no. What? X was an online bank co-founded by Elon Musk? Damn, son. Wait, hold on.
I did not.
The SEO
I
sucks.
just know it right now.
uh, Papa chat. Let me do one thing. Let me
I
make
see.
let me make Darshil a mod. So you got more power, Darshil. Put you add as moderator. I don't know what the difference is. Can manage words and change chats. Can review and measure. Let's do this. Managing moderator. Let's go. Can you chat now, Darshil?
Yeah,
Also
now you're
let's pop
right.
out chat so I can keep this open. Does this go away? Shit. Why does this not just stay? I would like to. Yay! You're the mod now. Alright. Let me keep this like this on my second screen so I can keep a look at this. Okay, what were we talking about? We were doing something out over. This was done. Impressions. Oh yeah, we were talking about this where this logo thing. Can you believe it? I think it found the thermostat logo. That's the
Oh,
only.
that's
That's the
nice.
only logo I can think in this page.
That's the only logo I can see
Yep.
too. Yeah.
So as you can
Yes.
see, we got a low score because everything else is fine, but we don't have much spoof. So what we found during our brief research was that most thumbnails act good if you have some kind of spoof in it where it is kind of parody or funny or intriguing. That's why if you have a more funny thumbnail or pose or something in this, you'll get more clicks. Ours is a more deadpan look, and it does show it. Like if we were doing something funny where we were showing our hands like this or something, we would get more clicks. This is more of a classy thumbnail, but that still gives us a good score, which is a great thumbnail at the end of the day. It
Yep.
found both of our faces. It says there are two faces here, and then it shows that we've got 100% joy. That's really good. We're not sad people.
Yeah.
It didn't find any landmark, and it found
We
one logo.
graduated
Yep.
with happiness.
Yep.
Man,
All right then. So this is what we found from this, and that is what impressions does. Okay, let's close impressions now. Byte Banter channel, did it update it yet? I just want to see all the thumbnails together. Okay, it's still not updating them, but this one isn't. So we can close this.
this one is the latest one is updated, right?
Yep, it is.
The
Byte
Are We
Banter.
Alive is not yet updated.
Yep. We can close this. Let's close this. We still have 17 minutes left now. What should we do?
17. We should talk about that Darshil
Darshil is saying
this one
it's violence
Twitter
because Hima's here.
Twitter.
Wait, if we talk about Twitter,
Well,
okay, let's do this. Let's open Twitter and talk about it. What?
it's
They
all
changed the logo.
updated.
Yep.
Wait, they already. Oh my god! What?
Okay, let's sign up with Byte Banter. Let's make a Twitter account. Let's make an
Like,
X account live.
like,
Uh,
not gonna lie, it kind of look good.
no,
The
no, don't be.
X.
It, I
It just like I saw it outside, right? The black one, it didn't look that
no,
good. But
the
here with
logo
this,
the logo looks good. I agree, but do you think it's
the
fair
thing is
fair for the
that
brand? Like these people
signature,
build this
right? The
built on
band,
Twitter, right? Yeah,
that bird. Yeah,
exactly.
Twitter, the signature of the Twitter is this bird, and
Wait,
they removed it.
when did we start Byte Banter? It was
It was 2, 3 months ago.
let
Three
let's
months
see when
ago.
our first live was.
How many? How many? I think it's 12 already. So it's
Uh,
like
where do I
three
see the
months and
date?
a half.
Can I see the date somewhere? Does it show the date? 3 months ago. I want the Exactly. Oh, April 30th. Cool, cool, cool. So, let's make that
Mhm.
our
Yeah.
birth date. April 30th. Let's go for 1998. 1998.
Yeah.
Go next. Is data to personalize? No. I don't want to give it any more data than I need to. Profile picture. Let's go for the Byte Banter picture. Videos. I should have Byte Banter somewhere. Byte Banter. Byte Banter. Go for Byte Banter. Apply. Next. Why Byte? Oh, Byte Banter. Don't tell someone. What? Byte Banter. Shit. That's fine. Skip for
Byte
now.
Banter is taken.
English.
Die,
Next.
die, die.
What do you want to see, Hema? We want to see gaming, music,
See,
entertainment,
no, not
technology,
gaming. Okay, entertainment,
careers,
technology. Yeah, we want to see.
animation, science, fitness. Where's finance? Don't
No,
have
fitness. Really?
finance. Okay, let's remove fitness. Is this enough?
Let's remove fitness. Yep. Yeah.
Okay. What do you want to see in gaming? Actually, I don't want to see gaming. To be fair. Music, pop, rap,
Rap,
EDM, jazz,
K-pop,
classical. No K-pop. Do you want it? I can add it
T-pop.
if you want it.
No, no, no.
Okay.
T-pop maybe.
For business, what the hell is
Yeah.
this?
T-pop.
Investing, marketing, Apple, startups,
Check Darshil's chat.
small
I
business.
realized I have socks with X logo.
So it looks good now. It should, I realize I have socks. Byte Banter white. Oh shit! So sorry. I didn't see it.
Right,
Super
right,
script.
right.
Okay. Let's do this. Why am I dumb? I can
Mhm.
keep his chat open.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's. Oh, but it won't be visible on the stream. I forgot about that.
Yep, yep.
Wait. Then I think the best way to do is to put it in here. Live streaming. Get it back here. Live chat. Okay. So we need to keep coming back here to see the chats. You need to
Mhm.
keep reminding me. For
So our
edit.
chat right now is Darshil. Whenever you say yo chat, what's up? It's Darshil.
Oh, he's bouncing. Alright, Darshal, no worries. Cool, see ya.
Yo chat, don't bounce yet. No, no, no.
Okay. Entertainments. Uh, okay, let's get Attack on Titan movies, anime, movie news, Oscars, Marvel, indie film, documentary.
Oh.
Uh, Elon Musk, reduce this. This is too much work. I don't want to do all this stuff.
Yeah, Elon Musk. What are you doing? Changing the logo now. I did too much
YouTube,
shit to choose.
Twitch,
Um.
Google, Amazon. Okay, Twitter, Facebook,
Yeah,
YouTube.
yeah, you're right. It looks too simple, right? The
Yeah.
X logo.
It's not.
Twitter, it doesn't go with the UI kind of messed up, I guess.
It's not
I don't
about the
know.
X logo. Right? It's about the brand. Like if
The
it's
brand too, but no, if you think about the UI, right?
no,
UI also it
think about
doesn't.
this. Tomorrow, if I go ahead and change impressions name to something else, like let's say depression, it's no longer the same
Yeah,
website, right? We made this
yeah.
website with the name in mind. Like, everything we
And
designed
it's
was
like
around this name.
people know Twitter by that bird, right?
Exactly. And not just that, right? Like still
Why
when
are
you
they doing it though? Like they lose so it's not good for them, right? They might lose at least 1%, 2% of their users.
mm-hmm.
I mean, it does affect, right?
It does. Okay, I followed it enough things, I guess. Let's go. Steam, let's
But
follow Daredevil, Hima's favorite.
but
Hima's favorite show
enjoy
after
fellas. Better by saying bounce.
Hima better be saying it bounce. Alright. So I followed Daredevil.
Bah,
It's the second best series according to Hima, right after Breaking Bad. Alright, let's go.
yeah,
Next. No, so what I was saying was, you see this
great.
thing? You see what this says? It still says tweet.
Hmm. Yeah, the name is still Twitter, right?
Yep.
Just the logo. But yeah, logo. Don't you think it kind of like off the design, the
Wait,
UI?
I just realized, does this sound racist? I'm not saying any Chinese name. I meant like Xing. Like we heard us tweeting, right? Is it Xing now?
No, yeah, you can. Uh, yeah, you can tweet that.
No, but does
It's
this?
still tweeting it.
It is.
The name.
It is. It is.
It doesn't look. It's not racist. It's not.
All right. He must say it. If anything happens, it's not on me. Let's tag Elon Musk on our first tweet. Let's just go.
Mhm. Elon must change his profile picture to
Let's go. I'm sure Elon got like 100 tweets which says this, so it's fine. Oh, how can I forget?
yeah,
Shameless self plug again.
impressions
Follow us. Hit the like button.
on
Subs
on X.
get
Follow on
notifications on.
follow us on X and
Like
Twitter both.
like our stuff. Okay, jokes apart. Yeah. What else do you think? I agree. The logo kind of looks cool, but I still feel like
No, it doesn't look that cool to be honest. I mean,
no. When I
mm,
say it looks cool, I mean like if this was a complete new website, it looks cool. It is a really good logo, but what I feel like it's not fair to remove this logo. Just think about it. You have
whenever I see the word tweet, right, I that bird bitch comes to my head. Like it
it's
feels weird to see that X
if
logo.
tomorrow somebody changes the Discord logo, people won't be happy with it. It's the same thing. Like people know Discord because of this logo. This 2ID uh
Mhm.
robot looking thing. It's the same thing with
But
Facebook.
do you know the reason? You know the reason why Elon Musk wanted to do this?
Why
There
did
must be some
Elon
reason behind it, right?
Musk change the name of Twitter? Elon recently explained why he decided to rebrand Twitter to X and noted that it's more than just name change. Instead, it represents his plans to create an everything app. Twitter was acquired by X Corp both to ensure freedom of speech and as an accelerant for X, the everything app. So Twitter was acquired by X Corp both to ensure freedom of speech and okay, I read this already. The Twitter
Yeah,
name
X
made
Corp.
sense when it was just a 140
So
character
basically,
message
it's
going
because
back and forth
X
like
Corp
birds
is
tweeting. But now
X
you can
Corp is
post
his
almost
company.
anything, including several hours of video. In the months to come, we will
Well,
have.
I wanna see I wanna see how tech YouTubers react. Can you go to X Twitter
Yep.
and search MKBHD or someone?
I don't think they've tweeted much about this. But I'm sure he's making a video on it. I'm still gonna call it Twitter.
I'm still still gonna call it Twitter. Yeah, me too.
uh, do you know what dead naming is? I saw this thing recently. It's like,
By the way, in Twitter too, right? You can pay for the blue tick and get it, right?
mm-hmm. Yes, you can.
Mhm.
That's it. That dead name.
Mm. Just move to threads, right? Twitter is
Threads.
dying now.
Oh, we do need to make an Instagram account. Let's do it. Instagram. Don't
Yeah.
have an account. What? We can only log in with the Facebook. So we need to make Facebook first. Come on, Mark. Facebook is dead.
Wait. Really? No, I think
Oh, email,
you
right? Okay,
can
okay.
sign up. Sign up. Don't have an account. Sign up. Go to the below.
Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah. Oh, you need to give a mobile number, email. You can give your
Wait,
email.
wait. Let me turn off our screen share for a second because I don't want this to be going on stream. Uh,
Yeah.
okay, so the stream can't see the email now. Okay, what is our email? I actually don't know what our email is. Okay.
It's bytebanter
No,
at gmail.com.
whoa,
Right?
whoa, 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 whoa. What is the point of turning off the screen share if you just read it out? Byte.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's okay. You can reach out to us. Email us. Email us ideas.
Da, da, da.
If we kind of
You feel kind of what?
no, no, I was not gonna say it, but it just came out from my mouth. I was gonna say I feel kind of sleepy.
Oh, April 30th, 1998. That's fine. We're almost done. It's 5 minutes left for the hour.
Yeah.
1998. Next. Fill confirmation code. Gmail. Da, 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 da. Come on, Mark Zuckerberg. Give us the option to sign in using Google directly. 026984. Okay, I shouldn't be saying that out, but I would say it. 026984.
You had to do it fast before someone else visit.
What? The IP address you're using has been flagged as an open proxy. I don't know what that means.
Is it like a warning or error?
I think it's an error.
Um,
Oh, it worked. It gave me the error for a second and then it just went away. We suspended the account?
what?
Why though?
What? What?
Visible to Instagram right now and you cannot use it. You have why though? I'm not a robot. Bus, 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 bus. What?
We are
I
not
I I I
robots.
faded. Traffic lights. Buses.
Yeah, this thing it's hard to fuss.
Motorcycle.
Motor scooter. there
Stair.
was a, there was this motor scooter.
Motorcycle. Why is it giving such
More motor
confusing
scooters.
images?
Yeah, right. Okay, finally enter your email.
If anybody's wondering why I'm so serious, it's because Instagram banned us for doing nothing. Dot, 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 dot.
Before even making the account,
Exactly, we didn't
they
even upload
banned
a
us.
picture. Yeah, the email confirmation code. Okay, I'm not gonna say it out loud this time. Maybe it's because Instagram got mad that we said it out loud.
Phone
What?
number. You can
Just
skip it, right?
I can't, right? Does it have a skip option? I didn't see it. I think they're just scared that we're people, so they want us.
Hmm. How many verification?
I don't know. This is the 100th. Hey. Oh, Da, 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 da. What? We did all this stuff and it still says we are reviewing your shit. Oh no, it worked. What?
We
It reviewed it this fast?
okay.
Okay, it's cool. Let's edit a profile.
Now we had to.
Okay. I don't care about all this. Change profile picture, upload the picture, website. Let's just put our YouTube link. Let's go to Byte Banter. Let's copy this. Let's go to Help Center. Let's close this. Oh shit. Did I just leak our email? Maybe I did, but it's fine. Okay, we did this
That's
from the phone.
okay.
It's fine.
I already leaked
Bye. Remake
it. I already leaked it 5 minutes ago.
videos. Every week. We make videos, that's fine. Remember not to say, show a consultation profile, submit. Okay, profile saved. Why did I even do this? What was the main idea?
Main idea?
Why were we
There
making an
were
Instagram?
no.
Oh, I wanted to go to threads.
Make threads account, right?
Yeah.
So we don't give a shit about Instagram. We only give a shit about
No,
threads.
I leaked it again. It's
It's okay. I leaked
fine.
2 times.
Okay. Anywho, we're almost done with the time too. The Instagram account is ready.
Actually,
We'll
we
make a
can do the countdown.
reel out of today's thing, and then it'll be fun.
We can do countdown together.
40 seconds is too long for a countdown. Let's do this.
Yeah, we will
Uh,
die.
let's close this. So we made Twitter, we made impressions, we made Insta, we
Mhm.
made Threads because Threads is basically Insta. What else were we planning to make? Twitter, Insta, Threads.
What is left to me? Maybe we can make a Discord.
Oh, maybe not today. Maybe next time. We can make a TikTok if you
Maybe
want.
next time.
But like, I really don't like uploading to
So,
TikTok.
mm-hmm.
But we should if you wanna get the views and stuff because that's where the views are.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, 3, 2,